In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section in Framer. And if you're building a page and want to drop in a polish block like a hero, a features grid, or a footer, sections are the quickest way to get there. I'll guide you through the process so you can place a section cleanly and keep your layout consistent. First, open your browser and head to framer.com. From your dashboard, open the project you want to edit so you're looking at the project canvas. This is the main workspace where your page or frame appears in the center, your layers sit on the left, and Properties Live on the right. With the canvas in view, look to the top left and click Insert. This opens the Insert panel, which is essentially your toolbox for adding pre-built elements and patterns. You'll see categories for basic elements, components, and more, everything you can drop onto the page. Inside the Insert panel, click Sections. This narrows the library down to full-width, professionally designed blocks. These are built to be responsive out of the box, which means they'll adapt as your page size changes without you having to micromanage spacing. Before you choose a specific layout, decide whether you want a light or dark style. Light sections use brighter backgrounds and generally pair well with minimal, clean designs. Dark sections use deeper backgrounds and can create strong contrast for emphasis or visual breaks. Pick the style that matches the tone of your site and the sections around it so the page feels cohesive. Now select the section you want and drag it onto your canvas. As you drag, look for the alignment guides that help you snap the section into place at the top of the page or between existing content. When you release, Framer adds the section to your layers and sizes it to the page width automatically. If your project includes multiple frames or pages, make sure you drop the section onto the correct frame so it inherits the right constraints. Once it's on the canvas, you can leave it as is or customize later to match your brand. A quick tip for visual consistency. Keep contrast strong by pairing light sections with darker text and dark sections with lighter text, and try to repeat the same style across adjacent areas. If spacing looks off, zoom out briefly to check the rhythm between sections, then reposition the drop point for clean, even gaps. And that's it. Go to framer.com, open your project canvas, click Insert, choose Sections, pick light or dark, then drag the section onto your canvas. It's a simple workflow that saves time and keeps your layout professional and responsive.